Where can I download and test the Windows 11?
Windows 11 download and installation file is not available yet, and you have to wait for the Microsoft to share more announcement on it.
Some websites offering the Windows 11 installation files. Shall I download them?
No, they are not official and trusted Windows 11 installation files, and they might contain malwares, and even break your system, and harm your device. We advise you to wait for the official announcement, and official download links from the Microsoft website.
I am using Windows 10. Can I upgrade to Windows 11?
Windows 11 have been released to the Windows Insider build, and in case you are part of the Windows Insider program, and in case your system meets the requirement, you would be able to upgrade. In case you are not part of the Windows Insider program, you may join and download the Windows 11. Note this build is for testing and evaluation, and it contains bugs and is for testing. Make sure you never install it on a device which you are working, and only run it in devices where you are testing and evaluation. Take a look at preparing for Insider preview builds of Windows 11, Windows Insider blog.
What is the minimum hardware requirement to upgrade to Windows 11?
1 GHz, or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor, or system on a chip. 4 GB of RAM. 64 GB or larger storage device, UEFI, secure boot capable, trusted platform module version 2.0.
I ran the health check app and shows my device is not compatible. What shall I do?
Users reported they have run the health check app, and it shows their device is not compatible for the upgrade. You should take a note. Windows 11 just has been announced, and even the installation file is not available yet. And when this application shows your device is compatible, then you would be upgrade to the Windows 11 for sure. However, if it shows it is not compatible, you have to wait, and as Windows 11 is on the way, it will support more devices. In addition, your feedbacks will be heard by the Windows team, and they will consider it for improvement of the Windows.
What is new in the Windows 11?
There are new features and improvements, and Microsoft already shared a post on new Windows 11 OS.
How about the older version of Windows?
Microsoft didn't announce any free upgrade plans for devices running Windows 8.1 and Windows 7, and you have to check the Microsoft website to see if there is any new official announcement there. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.